This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Alright. Dear person, me zombie. Hi zombie, me person. And teacher. Me hungry. Must get to sunflower. Can you get the zombie to the sunflower using only the blocks that are available? I hope so. So once again, it looks like we have some stairs, or almost like. We have one block in the workspace, and we should only use 6. I love to be wrong at first. I want to test out. So I just got to get a feel for what's going on here. So I'm just going to put a bunch of blocks. I need to move forward, and I think I turn left, move forward, and then maybe I turn right. Then I move forward, and I turn left, I think. And let me just hit run. Let me test what I got. So I go forward. Yep. Have I hit a wall? Nope. Okay, so far so good. So it looks like I'll need another move forward, and then another turn left. Another move forward, I think. And I'm just looking. Oh, nope. This should be a turn right, it looks like. Should not be getting those mixed up. Turn left, move forward, turn right, I think. And so we can kind of step through it too. Okay, move forward and turn left. Move forward and turn right. Move forward and turn left. Okay, let me see. Wow, this is a big thing of stairs. Or path, I guess. Wow, I'm not even close. But wait a minute, I want to show you something. Droop. Droop. If you are repeating yourself with code, you don't need to, right? So instead of keep writing all of this over and over and over, I can use a repeat. Now let's think about this. Would I want to repeat this as long as there is path ahead? Well, if I get to here and I turn, there's going to be path ahead. I would keep going, I think. But what's my ultimate goal? Can you get the zombie to the sunflower? Well, wait a minute. Maybe I should just keep repeating stuff then until I'm at the sunflower. So now, if I do this and this, what should happen, watch. Right now I say, am I at the sunflower? Nope, so repeat until I am, do this. Okay, I'll move forward. I'll turn left, I'll move forward, I'll turn right, and I hit the bottom of this pink loop, this pink repeat, and it goes back to the top and checks this again. Am I at the sunflower? Nope, so I need to keep going. Do this, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, hit the bottom, zoop, it has to check again. Up. Nope, I'm not at the sunflower. Move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Now, hit the bottom. If I was at the sunflower, it would either run code beneath it, there's nothing beneath it, so the program would just be done. But right now it's going to check, not at the sunflower. So let's see it all run. Come on, you can do it, zombie. Go, go zombie, go. I feel like maybe I shouldn't cheer for zombies, but Yeah, we did it! Onward.